guys! Welcome to my vlog. It's me. So for today, ako sa kunya. So it's me, Jojo, and so for today ay nag-outing tayo. Then nandito yung mga food. At mamaya ay maligo kita Ano takaan ko magtinagalo. Judgment. So this is our food. Here. We have a siomai, rice, fried chicken, lumpia. Then, ang tawag sini? Panulse. And we have bihon.
Panulse pag guys.
Panulse din ito. Oh my God. Madam, say hi to my vlog. Hi!